Greetings, Mark Bone here. I'm going to be looking at how we can get started with Excel. A lot of person don't know how to use Excel, how to start, or how to view Excel. So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular area here. All right, it's very important. All right, if you notice, but how can we really create Excel? Right here at the desktop, we can right click. And notice this little dialog box come up. We're going to go right down to the word new. And if you notice, come right down here. Notice this is if it's Excel. Right, so what I did, I right click on the desktop, I come right down here to new. And notice if I go across, sometimes this might show up right over here. Right, and notice and I click, and there you go, and that is Excel. I can actually come right here. Is a search bar right here, and I click. Now when I click, you see, you notice this little box come up. So I'm gonna type X. You notice as I type it, notice this is it. You can actually click on it, and then what will happen? You notice you see it open like this. Yes, but if you notice when I get a window come up like this, right here, so this itself is where actually click this and minimize it right here. If I click this right here, you're going to expand the window, and if I click this one right to close it. So if I click it right here, you notice this is what happened. When it open, right? Now when it open like this, now you might not sure what to do. But all of this that you're looking at right here are template. Yes, a template so far. Right here, you have home. So when you, this is home, this is what you see on the home section. If I come right here and I click on new, right here, this is what happened. Everything you see new. If I come right here and I scroll down, right, these are some stuff that you see in here. Gets started with formula. Here, take a tour. Pivot table right here, Python in Excel. Right, if I come right here and I click on open, this is what happened. You see several different stuff. Come right down here. You will see account right here. Different type of account right over here. And if I click right here on option, notice this is what you will see right here. So all of this, you might not familiar with it. So if you notice, formulas, data, and all of these stuff are right here. Right? So if you notice right here, we're actually in a blank page right here. All right, let me close this one and open this one. Right, so you're going to right click on the desktop right here. Notice right here, bring up this little small dialog box here. You're going to click on the word open. Right now, when you click on the word open, now it open. But you notice you see it have this word by line in line. Now you maybe wonder what is this line in line for? All right, so very important. So I'm going to give you a little breakdown. All right, if you notice up here, the top right here is auto save right here. You can see it right here. Right here, you can undo or you can redo. If you click this little section right here, you notice it bring you to customize quick access toolbar right here. You can access, you notice printing preview, undo, all that. But if you notice right inside here, you can actually search for whatever you want. So for instance, you want to look for table, you can literally type table inside here. Notice right here shows the insert table, right? So if you don't know exactly where to find a certain thing right here, you can actually click right here, sir, and search. But if I wanted to find where the section where the photo is, right, I can come like that. You notice the insert photo, just the same. But if you notice up here, all of this that is here up here, known as tab. So this is called it file tab, home tab, insert tab. But I want to see what in all of these tabs. But if you notice, we're actually on the home tab. So what you're seeing right now is the ribbon. So each time you click on a tab, you will see the ribbon. Within the ribbon, you have group. So if you notice right here, clipboard is one group. If you notice right here, font is another group. Notice online is another group, number, and all of that is another group. But within the group right here, you have a launch button. You notice this is a launch button right here. Right here, if I come right here and I click on the launch button, you notice you bring up a different sec. The reason for this is because everything could not reach all inside the group. So create a local launcher right here for all of them. You notice? Yes, a local launcher for that, definitely. So we could click on file. We're going to see exactly what there in the file. You notice you come right here. This is for home. This is what you will see in home. Right here so far. You can actually scroll up and scroll up. In home, you can actually pin a file. If you notice, if I come right here, You notice right out here, this itself is a pin. If I click on that pin, you notice it's gone right up to the top right here because I pin it. So if I click back on it, definitely you can actually move it so far, definitely. So I want to move on, right? Click here on new. Notice this is what happened. New actually bring you to some new set of document right here. Notice. Scroll up, you can actually see some of these stuff right here. You notice. Show that I can create like basic business invoice, right? You notice inventory list, invoice and all that, right? You can actually do. So these are template that I can actually create right here. So come right here, open, notice, click on open. These are some of the stuff that you will see. You come right here, add zine. So that definitely you can get some other stuff that you can actually add. You notice right here, scripts. So this might be a look advanced for those who definitely just starting. All right, so let me keep it as simple as possible right here. When I click on info, this is what happened. Notice right here, you have this lock right here. You can actually open read only. You can put a password on the document. You can protect the current sheet or the current rule book. So definitely. So if you are if you use a computer and like maybe somebody's using a computer, you can actually lock the current sheet and all that. Nobody access it just the same. Right here, you notice issue tracker and all of the stuff right here. So you come right here down to save. All right, go up here and then go to save as. Now when you click on save as, it means that you're going to put a name to it. So whatever I type in the sheet, you press this here. Right, you notice you can save it as PDF. The document just as save it just the same. Right here, you can actually, all right, when you click at it, you notice right up here, it's a convert to PDF, just the same right here. Right here, you can actually come right here and print it. Just the same, you can show a different type of sheet. If you come right here, you notice right here, you can actually share it right here to people. Right, they can share it as PDF. You can also come right here and export it into different document that you really want it. You can come right here, close it. So now we go, this is the home section right here. Clipboard. When I copy anything, it actually go right up here. But if you notice right here, font, there's a difference between the word front and font, right? Very important. Right, so if you notice right here, if I click right here, care bodies, you can actually change the icon within it. So far, if I come right here, I can actually increase it and just the same all the way go now. You notice I can actually bold and all that. I can actually change the color right here. Just the same. So this is like a highlighter. So this is if you can actually change the color. So far in front, if you notice right in align, you can actually put the document to the left. Right here, you can put it to the center and all that. You can 90 degree and so forth. But if you notice right inside here, you have number, you can actually click right here. You notice you show your currency and all that. You can actually add the date and the time. You can actually do from right here. You can also add decimal number. Right here, you have conditional format. Notice different, you have different era in which I can actually put in the scale. Right, you have table format. Just the same right here. Right, and also you have cell over here. Actually have data and all that. And so right here, you can actually make a comment or you can actually share a document. All right, so now we're going to click on insert. So when you actually insert, you notice you can actually insert a pivot table right here. Some of you might not maybe see this version is 365 version, right? If you notice you have tip right here, illustration, you come right here, you can insert photo, shapes, icon, and all of that. Right here, you have checkbox. I notice I can insert card, column, right here, pie charts, and so forth. You want to put in a graph right here, you can actually do it in a comment, that's the same. All right, and I click on layout, you notice you have the font color right here. You notice you have the theme up here. Notice you go the margin, I can actually adjust the margin. You can go orientation, which you can actually change the sheet here, the landscape. You can actually go to size, you can change the letter of the size. You notice you print this certain area that you actually want from right here. You can actually add a background right here. You notice I can actually put a photo right here. You can either browse it from the computer or you can search for the Bing section right here. You notice I have several here. All right, so when you click on formulas right here, if you notice, all these are formulas which you can actually check from right here. logics, you notice whether it's true or false. Financial section right here that I can actually do. Here is auto sum. You can actually check the average numbers and all of that. Now when you look at data now, come all of these, I can go to descending order, ascending order just the same. Right here, if you notice, you can take the picture from there so far and all the way. So very important right here. You notice you can advance right here, text to column and all of that. Now when you look at review, you can actually run a spell check. Just the same, you can actually do a lookup, you can comment. But if you notice right down here, you can actually protect the sheet and you can protect the workbook. Right? So very important. Now when you look at view right here, you notice navigate, all right, is a try, not no. All right, if you notice I can navigate, I can actually zoom in just the same. I can actually arrange, I can actually split the cell, just the same, and all of that. And developer, I can actually run a macro right here, or basics, and all of that. So very important here that I can actually do that now. Let's go right down inside this. So notice right here, you have number inside, and we have letter here. So when you notice, each one of these have a little box. So this is known as a cell, about what really make up the cell. Right? So B1, that's a cell. That's what make up a cell. But if you notice right up here is a formula bar. So anything I type here show up right here. Right? And if you notice right here, name bar. You notice anywhere this is, it shows exactly the name of the cell. So I want to know the name of the cell. So when I click inside here, notice this name of the cell is what? C5. So if I come right out here and I click, notice it's a H4. And if I come right here and click, you notice? Alright, if I type something, notice when I type word definitely, you will see exactly one to the right and one to the left. Alright, look, I'm gonna type MAN right here. You notice it go to the left. But if I type the number, you notice the number go to the right. But then again now, when I click back on it, you notice it's right up here in the formula bar. If I come right here and I click the 34, you notice it actually show up right here back in it. Right? So it's very important right there. But then again now, notice this is the name of the sheet. But what if I wanted to give it a name? One thing you have to do, just put the cursor on it. You're gonna right click on the desktop. Right click, you notice when you right click, you show that you can insert, you can rename, you can actually delete, you can copy, you can actually put the sheet, you notice you can add color tweet, hide, and all of that. So I'm going to select rename, and then I'm going to put March, right there, and then I press enter. So notice right here, but what if I want a different sheet? You notice this plus right here? I click on the plus, you notice it create a different sheet, you notice everything black. If I want to go back, I'm going to click on it, just the same. Yes. So if I want to add more number, notice if I press the left key, it go to the left. When I press the up arrow, it go up. When I press the down arrow, come down. When I press the right arrow, go all the way. If I press enter, you notice it go down. And if I press the tab key, you notice where it go. Alright, very important. So you can use all of these just to put it just like that. And this is one of the way you can actually start in your sheet. So in case if you wanted to save it, you come right up here to file. You notice saving option, I come to save as. You can come right here the folder, you can also click on more option. Now when you click on more option, this is what it take you to. You can come right here and what is this step by desktop, right? And then I'm gonna write sales. Now we're gonna write sales and then you're gonna come right here and click on save. Notice, if you notice right up here, so this is sales. But I'm gonna come right here, which I'm gonna minimize it down here. And then I'm gonna click. You notice, and this is self-visit. Mark says, I go back again and click, and that's exactly how it come. I hope you have learned something from this startup, how to get started with this Excel spreadsheet. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.